What's up? What's up? Host Mecca here. And just got done dropping Nando off at his place. But we got a long week ahead of us. We got a lot of little, things we're gonna do. Right, babe?
Oh yeah.
Trina, why you look so sad? Anyways, so yeah, we're just over here. Nobody beats this place. Nobody. Trying to get some food because, man, I'm starving. All I ate was ice cream this whole day. Chocolate ice cream.
Not good.
And drank a lot of Mountain Dew. That's why I'm so fat.
What?
Sorry, I don't really check my teeth while I'm recording, but my bad. Alright.